As we all know, we all are social human beings. Sometimes we have to attend parties, we have to go to functions. Being professionally, we have to conduct meetings, we have to talk with customers, and we have to give presentation. And sometimes we have to give demonstration. So there we have to face difficulties. This is the most ever difficult task, to speak in front of people. Am I correct? Since starting, when people started coming to existence, we have this utmost level of task that how we can speak, how we can communicate. And this communication is stuck in us. Just because of this, we feel sometimes or most of the time unconfident. We feel like we are exhausting. So what are the ingredients which makes us so confident, which makes us so effective? What those points are? Let me explain you today. And I'm not explaining, I'm revealing the truth which can imbibe you with utmost level of energy. That is, as just I spoke and I revealed, energy. First of all, you have to be energetic. We always feel like that how to be more confident, how to get more confidence. What are the things that we can become so confident? So let me tell you, my beautiful people, we have to find out energy. How we can get more energy? We have to be very, very selective in terms of having and consuming food. The food you take, that decides your energy level. We have to be very selective people. We have to decide people. What kind of people we have to live with. We have to spend time with. So this food, your people, and that makes your atmosphere. We keep finding out and we keep maintaining our atmosphere. Beautiful people, it's not possible without selecting food and selecting your people, because this makes your sleep better or sleep uncomfort. If you work out on these three things, you'll make yourself so energetic. Let me tell you one more thing. When you meet with someone else, what they first of all look into you, your energy. If you have that spark level of energy, they come to you and they jump into the conversation with you and they feel like, wow, he's the man whom with I wanted to talk. He's the man whom with I wanted to spend time. Am I right? Yes. So we have to feel like we have energy. We have to work for getting energy. And sometimes maybe you are exhausting. You feel exhausted, but pretend you have energy, because that energy makes you something special. Alright? So keep in mind, we don't need to feel confident, we have to get energy. We have to be energetic. Right? Second thing come. We want to be lovable. We want to be attractive. We want people comes to us and start having conversation. They start feeling wow symbol about us. But do we do like that? That someone feel like to be with us and someone feel like to spend time with us? No. The reason is energy comes later, first appearance comes. Do we work out on our appearance? Do we wear well? Do we select in terms of our wearings? No. We don't give value to ourselves. We give value to our phones. Today, we care our phones. We spend extra money on our phones because we give value to them. But what about us? Why don't we wear like as if it is the last day of my life? Wear it as you're living on this planet last day. Give value to your body. Give value to yourself, because what you wear, it impresses people. Your appearance transfers the energy. Am I right? So why we don't, I would say, invest money in our appearance? Why we feel shy? Why we feel exhausted? Why we feel, introvert in terms of showing ourselves? What we earn in terms of money, exactly what we wear. Have you seen principals in the school? You can see, when you watch them, you can feel, oh, she is the principal, because the dress up she carries, that gives different sense. Soldiers, how you can understand he is a soldier? With his appearance. How you can judge he's a doctor? With his appearance. How you can see and how you can judge that he is an actor or actress? By his appearance. And what we think about ourselves, that I want to be an entrepreneur, I want to be a businessman, I want to be this, that, and blah, 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 blah. But do we wear like that? No. So beautiful people, start wearing what you want to be in next 5 years. Be right now. Okay? This will give you more energy, and that will convert in your confidence. And third and last thing, you have to prepare for everything. You have to prepare for future. So at last you have to prepare and prepare. You have to prepare for your success. You have to prepare for your achievement. You have to prepare for your best. You have to prepare for your upcoming accomplishments. If you are not preparing to plan, you are planning to fail. Mr. Benjamin Franklin says this thing. So I want you to prepare for anything. Remove your hesitations. Feel like there is nothing who can make you fail. Feel like that you are the personality on this earth who is having more energy. I'm having the best appearance and I'm ready to prepare. This is all about today. Thank you, my dear beautiful people.